guys, it's Celia, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate chip cookies. So first, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 375. And starting in a big mixer bowl, I'm taking 1 cup or 2 sticks of room temperature butter. And if you don't have room temperature butter, then you can just microwave 2 sticks of butter. And I will be creaming this before I add the sugar. Okay, so once your 2 sticks are creamed, you're gonna add 3/4 cup of brown sugar. It can be dark or light, doesn't really matter. And then 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. And I'm also going to cream that on a high speed. Not too hot. So, now that that's creamed, I'm just gonna scrape down everything. Planning on cutting all this out. Okay. Now, you're gonna add 2 eggs. And like usually you're supposed to do it one at a time, but that takes too long. So, 2 eggs and like about a teaspoon of vanilla. But because I'm so advanced, I won't be using a teaspoon. I just eyeball it. Then you're going to mix that at like a medium speed. All right, perfect, looks phenomenal. You're also going to want to scrape that down. Oh. Okay, scrape that down. Moving on to dry ingredients, in this bowl, I have 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and a teaspoon of baking soda. And I'm just gonna whisk it really quick before we add it to the other wet mixture. And then I'm just going to add like 1/3 of it, not all of it at once, because that's like bad. Okay, like 1/3-ish. And mix that on low speed because you don't want flour flying everywhere. Okay, once that's all mixed, you add another 1/3. Oop. Okay, perfect. Low speed. Looks great. Okay, your final 1/3. You might spill some. Everything's fine. Mix that. Low speed. Wipe away any flour that you might have spilled. Okay, once that's all mixed, should look something like this. Should also taste yummy. Okay. Now, final ingredient, chocolate chips. Make it phenomenal. I use semi-sweet because those are my favorite. They're yummy. Okay, mix those. Okay, so now we've scraped down the cookie dough. I moved things to the side because we're preparing for the next thingy. So you're gonna take that off. Okay. Bye, Missy. I love you. You have your scoop, dough, and baking sheet. And you're just going to scoop out like 12 thingies or space them or however many you can fit on there that are spaced evenly. And then you are just going to put them in the oven. Okay, so we've moved locations. We have our cookies. We're gonna put them in the oven. And those are gonna bake for like 11 to 12 minutes. right, guys, we've got our cookies out of the oven, and now it's just the final taste test. Let's do this. Yes. Hey guys, it's Celia, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate chip cookies. Jesus, Capri. I actually did not mean that. Hey guys, it's Celia, and today... And today, should I keep that? Hey guys, quick check-in. So we actually burnt the first batch of cookies, but it's okay. Next batch, you'll get them next time. I have 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and a teaspoon of